Section 1.1, number 3, on page 5, we have the multiplication property of -1 states that -1 times x is negative x. To simplify an expression such as negative times x plus 6, you can rewrite the expression as -1 times x plus 6. So we have a multiple choice problem. What is the simplified form of negative times the quantity 2y minus 3x? So what that last slide tells us we can do is instead of write negative, you can write -1, and now we're just going to use the distributive property. So I can distribute this -1 to both my 2y and my -3x. This would give us -1 times 2y, which would be -2y. And then we have minus negative, so minus a negative gives us plus, and then 1 times 3x will be 3x. So if you look up at these answers, the one that matches this perfectly is indeed C. Now I'm going to show you guys a shortcut to this. Anytime you are multiplying by just a negative, all you're going to do is switch the signs. So if we go back up to this original expression, negative times 2y minus 3x, if you go inside the parentheses and just switch the symbols, so here we had a positive 2y inside the parentheses, it becomes negative 2y. Here we had negative 3x inside the parentheses, it becomes positive 3x. So that is a nice little trick you can use when multiplying by a negative. You don't actually have to write all this work out. The book does ask quite a few questions, and then they have all the exact same work written out. Now I would like you to try number 5. So simplify each expression. Negative times the quantity -m plus n plus 1. Again, remember the shortcut that you can just switch the sign of everything inside the parentheses.